Do you not have passion for what you do? No? I'm going to show you how you can actually gain passion for what you're currently doing. This is confidence and harmonious passion. So I'm going to tell you how to do this, and then I'm going to give you some actionable tools at the end. I often get asked the question, do you love what you do? The answer is yes, but not 100% of the time. If someone tells you they love their job 100% of the time, they're probably lying or just trying to convince themselves. Here's the truth. It's okay not to love your job 100% of the time. But what if you don't love your job even 10% of the time? Well, that's where today's confidence hack comes into play. The reframe question: what is the net positive of what you are doing? So, if you have a family, hopefully that answer resides in a positive of providing for your family. If you don't, then this is a stepping stone to what you really want to do. So, what I'm saying there is if you don't love what you do, you actually despise going to work. Are you doing it for a bigger picture? Are you doing it for your family? Are you doing it for your kids to see that this is what hard work looks like? Or are you looking at it like, hey, this is just a stepping stone. I have to go through this to lead to where I want to get to. So both are viable options, in both ways. Just turn I hate my job into the I can find joy in my job. That's the difference I want you to make. You say, I hate your job. Say, I can find joy in my job. Both are the same exact thing. You might not necessarily like it, but you can find joy in it. So here's the point blank truth. You, and only you, are the one who decides how much joy you squeeze out of the lemon daily. If right now you're reading this and you think, I hate going to work every morning, think about this. Like I was saying, what if your son or daughter could see this and think, okay, I'm motivated. I'm going to have hard work. I'm going to have discipline because I see my father or mother doing this. Remember, kids learn through seeing more than they do hearing, by example and observation. And do you think your next job is going to just happen with a mopey attitude, dragging your feet to work daily? No chance. Case in point right here. Good friend of mine, Erik Spoelstra, is a phenomenal example. He started as an intern for the Miami Heat, the lowest of low. His job was to do whatever anyone asked of him: coffee runs, print papers, cut up game film, and his answer was always the same: no problem. And he said it with a smile on his face. Erik has become to be one of the best head coaches all time in NBA history. And at the point this is written, he signed the largest coaching contract in North American sports history. There you go. He didn't look at his situation as, I hate it, or I'm never going to get out of this. It's all how you perceive your current situation. Is it a stepping stone or a boulder blocking your way? You decide. So what I want you to do, what you don't like about your job, is there some joy you can find in it? Is it leading you to something bigger? Is what you do right now that you despise actually a stepping stone for something bigger? Or is it, hey, I have to do this to make ends meet because I have a family I need to provide for? That becomes your number one. And showing this type of inspiration and leadership, and basically the best parenting you can do is what your kids see you doing. So the confidence boost today comes from knowing that no matter if you despise your job, you can absolutely find joy in it.